Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to make the links. Here we have make the links, dashboard, students and teachers. In this video, I am going to teach pagination, how to add the pagination. So here you can see, here only we have add two records. So when you go to our code, you can check, go to the controller. Now we are in the teachers controller. Okay, so teachers controller, you can go over here. Here you can see here per page 25. We are given here 25. Here testing purpose, I am putting the pagination only 5. Okay, when the record is, when you added more than 5, the pagination will be displayed. So let's test that. Let's save all. Now let's back to our project. Now I'm going to add the records. Now I'm going to add the records as James, address India, telephone number, something like that. Click create. I'm going to add another record, India, phone number. Contact as Peter, USA, telephone number. Can add it. I have added one record. Separate hum, USA, telephone number. Click create. Now you can see here the pagination will be shown here, but here the style is not working. Now you will be able to see the pagination. Right? If the record is go more than 5, the pagination will be shown up the page, but the style is not working. How to fix the problem will solve. So here go here we given here 5. If you are given here 10 here, per page 10 mean it will be shown up when the records become 11, shown up the pagination. Right. Now we fix the issues. Okay, it's very simple to fix the issues. Now let's back to our project. Here you have to go to the folder which is a provider. You can see the provider folder. So here inside the HTTP, so app, if you expand the app folder, there is a folder after the models, there is providers. You have to expand the providers folder. Inside the providers folder, there is a page which name is app service provider.php. You click on this page. In this page, I'm going to go to the function which is a boot. Inside the function, I'm going to add the bootstrap. So how to call the bootstrap? You have to write first paginator. You have to write the paginator colon. Here you have to write use bootstrap. You have to add the bootstrap over here. You have to add the bootstrap function over here. Now I'm going to add the path of the paginator. So go above. Here you have to add it here. Copy this one, use, eliminate, paste it here. Here slash, you have to write pagination slash, you have to write paginator. Right. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. Right. Go to the app folder. Inside the app folder, there is a folder which is a providers. Inside the providers, there is a page app service provider.php. Here we have to add the paginator. You have to write the paginator. You have to use the bootstrap. After that, you have to give them the path. This is the only thing you have to edit. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Save all. Back to your project. I'm going to refresh it. Here, refresh it. Now here, successfully your pagination will be added. Here, after 5 reach, after you have done 6 record, here the pagination will be shown. Okay, pagination will be shown. Perfect. I hope you guys you understood so far. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach about the file uploading part. Let's start that. So first what I'm going to do is go back to my project. Here, go to the migration. Here I'm going to add the additional column. So out at the columns, the table creation part, we already studied. When you create the table, you have to go to the migration. So here this is a database folder. Inside the database folder, there is a folder which is a migration. To expand the migration, here we have created the table and columns. So we already discussed this all the things. Now here I'm going to go to create the new column. Click create teachers. If you want, you can create the column in teach student as well. Now I have shown here teachers, right? And now you will be able to create teachers student as well. Now here create teachers table. I'll open up over here. Now you can see currently at the moment we have three columns: name, address, telephone. Now I want to add another column. If you add like this, here I just copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This column I'm going to change the name as photo. Now I'm going to run another terminal. Here already my project is running one terminal. You have to open up another PowerShell window here. That is open up. Now if you are now after you add the column, if you write the migration command, let me see whether it's working fine or not. PHP artisan migrate. Press enter key. Here it is not working. Nothing to migrate. We can't migrate this way. So how to migrate? That's why I show the error as well. Okay, you can't migrate over here. So how to migrate? There will be the command. You have to write the command to migrate. If you want to add the additional column, that may be a photo or email address, whatever column you have to write. Here you have to add your project. There is a command you have to run on it. So here we have to add. Here this is very careful. You have to write PHP artisan. You have to PHP artisan make colon. You have to write migration. You have to migration add and you have to write here. You have to specify the column name. Add. You have to specify the column name. Now I'm going to add the additional column which is a photo. So you have to write photo. After that, two, you have to write the two keyword. After that, you have to give the table name, which table you are going to add the photo. Photo column, the photo column would be created which column? Sorry, no, sorry, which not which column, which table? What's the table you are going to create the photo column? Teachers table. So you have to specify the name of the table name here. Teachers. That's it. So this is the command you have to write. PHP artisan make migration add. This is a column. What is the column you are going to create? Photo. If you want to create the email address, here you can give email address. After that, two, you have to specify the table name. This at the moment you have to create teachers. If you want to create the column in student table, here you have to give the student. Okay, now at the moment I'm going to create this here. Teachers, I'm going to create the photo. So photo to teachers. Now let's press enter key on your keyboard. Now here you can see here created migration. Add photo to the teachers. Now let's check. Here you can see additional column as additional migration file has been created. Click on this. Here inside the file you can see here there are two different functions, up function and down function. I already taught what is the purpose of up function and down function. Up function which used to create the column, down function which used to drop the column. Now here I'm going to first, we have to, two things we have to write here. First here create the column and down drop the column. Here you have to write first table. I'm going to create the columns. Table string. Now what is the column I'm going to create? Photo. So you have to write photo. So you give the, if you want to, you can give the length as well. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. You have to give the name of the column name. Right? Now here, when you drop the column, here you have to write, table drop function. Drop column. You write photo. Right. That's it. Now let's save. If while uploading the server, is there any problem with the columns, it there is down function will be works. That time you will be able to drop the column. Okay. Now here up function. What is the purpose we have created this two function? Up function we used to create the column. Down function drop the column. This already I already explained in my basics video. Now let's file save. Now you can run the migration command. After done the stuff, you can here click on here. You can write the migration command. PHP artisan migrate. Now let's press enter key. Now you here your table has been created. Add photo to teachers. Now your migration command will be working successfully. Your migration command will be working successfully. You have add the additional column. You have add the additional column. Here it's working perfectly well. I hope you guys understood the things well. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you.